The first screen in the series game shows the dashboard, the main navigation panel. In the dashboard are displayed the series game levels, which correspond to the learning modules in InnoSchool learning system. The other elements visualized here are the top menu and the side menu. Top menu is always on top of the screens. It displays the following elements starting from left. Show, hide, side menu button. Indicators for gained supporters, gained hero, badges awarded, progress bar. The sound settings button, full screen settings button, messages button. It shows notifications on evaluated open tasks, supporters gained, badges and diplomas received, and new furniture for the office. The chat that can be used to chat with the teacher. The account menu containing the items, results, statistics, account settings, and logout. The side menu could be visualized with the help of the Show Hide Side Menu button. If it is not appearing, probably the side of the window is too small. The side menu contains from top to bottom. Home button, from here you go to the dashboard. Office button displays the team's virtual office. When the office is visualized, Marketplace menu could be shown on the right side of the screen. The Results button, displaying statistics about the results of the team and classes. And the Settings button, allowing you to add a profile picture and change your password.